This is Vocaroo, the online voice recording tool. It has a very minimalistic design. Just click on the red button to start recording. Allow use of microphone, and it is recording already. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. Click to stop. If you want to listen to the recording, then click on listen. And it is recording already. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. And if you're happy with the recording, then click here to save. It will give you a URL, a unique link that you can share, you can copy paste, you can type to access the recording online. You can embed it onto a blog, for instance. You can email it. You can share it on social media such as Facebook or Twitter, or if you have a Gmail account, more options here for blogs and different social media networking sites. Don't miss these options here. I'm going to highlight two of them. You can download this recording as MP3. If you right click on this and click on Save Link As, then you can choose a source to save the recording. So you can have the recording, you can keep the recording rather than having it online. A very interesting option. You can get the QR code. This is the QR code, which you can then print, or you can then embed onto a PowerPoint presentation or a blog or a wiki. Very interesting option. In addition, we can also upload existing recordings, in which case we will click here, upload, audio upload, click to upload, then find where the recording is, in this case on my desktop. Then just choose the file, the audio file, and it's right there. And here are the class recordings, starting with Anna. Anna, what? Then you can share this recording by providing the link. You can embed email, you can share on social media. Again, great site, Vocaroo.